All right, I made it. I was running. Oh, I'm out of breath. I was like sprinting when I pulled it, the docket, and then the park, and I sprinted down here. Then it's like, we got minutes to do this. So I'm so excited to test out this new mod, the Riva Racing intercooler piping with the Tial blow-off valve. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. To my existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. Also, too, I have a giveaway. I do monthly giveaways in this month coming up for September 19th. It's a $100 gift card with Riva Racing. To enter to win this, you have to be subscribed to my channel. I am Beowulf. Hit the like button. You can go past videos, recent videos. You can comment the videos. It could be the most recent upload to that video a couple of years ago. Check them all out. And on September 19th, I'm going to pick a winner. Also, too, check out my merch at iambeowulf.com. There's a 15% off code with Jet Tribe. Good too. I think at the end of September, from what I'm pretty aware of, 15% off all their stuff. Put in promo code all caps Beowulf. Let's get it going. Let's see what this thing sounds like. I'm super stoked. the blow-up valve would be a lot louder, but again, it's not like your traditional, like, I was just talking to my dad on the phone, but we're here I was talking about, because like he had a, probably said in past weeks, he had a 97 twin turbo Supra, and I've owned a bunch of turbo cars. I had like a 2004 turbo WRX STI. Let's see what all my turbo cars I had. I had 2 Eclipse turbos back in the mid 90s. Let's see, what other turbo cars did I have? I had the STI. Oh, I had a turbo bug, a 2002 turbo bug, and I've had supercharged vehicles, but they don't sound the same. And you can feel that this made a huge difference on top end. This way coming back, I was fighting the current real high, but you could feel right off the bat that this thing was running a lot different than it was doing before. And it's super humid out right now. I'm happy. For basically having like minutes to do something. It's like 8:01. Gets dark at like 7:50. At least you got to go out and run it. I'm really hot right now, even though I got sprayed with water. I actually was in such a rush to get out here, I forgot to pack a towel. I do that all the time. Luckily I'm not too wet, but I'm wet. I have leather seats and no towel. Yeah, it's the end of the world. No, it's no big deal. That's why I feel like it's humid. But man, I'm happy with this. Should have done this sooner. But it's like a whole step, you know, all this stuff, it's steps you have to go through. In my opinion, anything from what I've learned with modding vehicles, especially cars, it's like when you do too much stuff at once, it's when you start having problems. Because then if you don't know what caused the problem, you do step by step. Down the road, I'd want to do upgrade an intercooler with this. To definitely help with the cooling temperatures. But right now, I think it's good. Just having the intercooler piping helps the supercharger releasing air out of there. Because especially now having the intake and all the mods are on this. I mean, it's having tons more air and higher boost levels. I'm really happy.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
All right, whoa, man, that was awesome ride. So glad. That just shows it. All you need is just a little sliver of time, and I made it work, which is like unbelievable that I was even out there where I could see. And definitely, you know, the big thing too is when you do a new mod like this, it's good to just go out and test ride it before you start putting in however you ride. If you ride long, you ride shorter. Now, anytime you do a mod, you shouldn't plan the whole day you're gonna be riding, just in case there's anything. You go out there and ride it, take it back in, just double check everything. Not like I installed it wrong, but there's just you know, you got to all the time riding. I tell this to all the people. You got to be always checking on your equipment, seeing how it's running, because you never know what can happen with your gear. Make sure it's always running right. But also too, I want to show you guys, if you haven't seen it and you're new to the channel, I have an Amazon store, and on my Amazon store I have all different gear and everything on there. So it's amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. Now I have all different kind of stuff. It comes to the tie downs, this new Jettrim bumper thing that's just amazing how it folds in. Now I installed this and I didn't do a video with it. If you've seen, I did do an install video when I had to replace my trailer jack. I went with some expensive thing from Bass Pro Shop, and it like literally exploded and broke in a million pieces, and the trailer dropped to the ground when I was rolling it back, and it wrecked the other spare tire carrier I had. So I've been playing. I had some different one, and I got some cheap one that was like double wheel from Harbor Freight. It did not work, and I found this one from Curtis. This is on my Amazon store. So this is a marine grade trailer jack. It's on my Amazon store under jetski riding gear. That's with all that kind of stuff I just showed you. Especially this tire carrier is really nice too. It's made for marine for boat use and jet ski use, and it works out really nice, because the longest time I've been having my spare tire in my back of my Jeep, and it's really hurt on storage, especially when I went down here, especially with the incline so much, it would move my WeatherTech mat back. So I'm glad to have it on there mounted. And the big thing when you're buying these, don't go crazy buying a super expensive one. That's why I like the price of this one, because you know when you go on the ocean, over time it's gonna rust or have problems. It's better to go with one that's like reasonable price, is the right thing, and then if it goes bad, just go buy another one. And also too, I'm gonna do an install video. I've had problems with the tie downs that came from the factory for my Triton trailer, and they have like literally, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they've like exploded from rust. And I do all this cleaning stuff afterwards. They're still working, which is unbelievable. But I got some stainless steel ones that I just ordered that I'm going to install. They're a lot bigger, but they won't rust being stainless steel. So that is the new thing I'm going to be installing. I need to get double set. I first ordered one set to just see how they were before installing them, and definitely I'm happy with what they are, and trying to rig them up, because there's no point in buying another set of these. In less than a year they're going to rust. So, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. To existing subscribers, bell notification. Give me a follow on Instagram. I am _ Beowulf. Remember the giveaways this month, and every month I'm gonna do a giveaway. Also too, when I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm giving away an Xbox One X to a subscriber, or if you have a choice between an Xbox One X or PlayStation 4 Pro. If at that time when it happens, whatever newer thing that comes out that's the best of each, Microsoft and PlayStation, Sony, I will do that as the giveaway, because you never know. Technology, I've seen there's some new systems. I like playing games. I know there's some new systems. I used to be a PlayStation fan. I know I had the Nike PlayStation shoes. I am like an OG PlayStation person. I definitely know how to get it in the PlayStation. They've been just changing so much. That's why I've been kind of holding off to see whatever news coming out. And there's some games that I like to play on my Xbox One X that the PlayStation doesn't have. So make sure you check out the I Am Beowulf merch at iambeowulf.com. Got the tank tops, t-shirts, hoodies, hats. Remember that 15% off discount with Jet Tribe. That's 15% off your order, all caps, Beowulf. And the giveaway for this month, well, it goes to September 19th is when I pick somebody. It's a $100 gift card to Riva Racing. How you enter that, the same as the giveaway when I hit 50,000 subscribers. You get to be subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, and that's where I'll pick a winner on for that one with the $100 gift card on September 19th. Epic video. This weekend is a Labor Day. I seen what who knows with this hurricane is hitting Florida, what's going to happen. Prayers out to all those people. Be safe. Make sure you get prepared with whatever you need. I will be doing videos to show them what you should be doing prepping for hurricanes in the future. Also too, who knows if the storm's going to head up here to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. But it's been crazy with all this rain coming. So I'm hoping it's a chance of rain tomorrow. Being it's a weekend, especially Labor Day, this boat ramp, there's still a lot of people here even for Friday. I'm actually shocked. This would be not a place I'd want to go to on especially that big of a holiday weekend. Maybe I'll try, if the weather permits, going to the ocean, taking out my 2019 Yamaha GP 1800R. Make sure, remember, every day is Earth Day. You see any trash, pick it up in your water, even on land. And the good thing is when I was out there, I didn't see anything. I wasn't out there that long, but I didn't see any trash. Cool, that's awesome. Be driven to win. I'll see you guys back in the next one. Peace out, Beowulf Nation.